Hey, welcome back to another tech tip from Appliance Video. Today, we're going to take a look at the washer with the best warranty on the market today. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Appliances break down, and modern appliances seem to be less robust than they used to be. So a quality manufacturer warranty is a must, and Speed Queen stands out above the rest. They produce quality appliances that are long-lasting, so that could explain why they have such a good warranty. Speed Queen residential washers are the same washers produced for commercial use. They are also the only units in the industry that still come with a stainless steel wash tub and a porcelain outer tub. These units are built to last and are made with quality parts. While their appliances aren't known for a lot of bells and whistles, they bring consistency and longevity. Of all the Speed Queen's appliances, the TR7 washer series has one of the best warranties out of the gate. This washer comes with a 7-year warranty that covers parts and labour. It also covers the cabinet assembly against rust from the inside out, thanks to the 3-coat painted durable finish. In addition, it has a lifetime limited warranty on the stainless steel tub and outer tub against rust or corrosion. Like they say, you get what you pay for, and this washer will set you back between $1,500 to $1,700. However, it should last you a long time. So if you need a workhorse of a washer that can handle heavy use, and if you can forego the bells and whistles, Speed Queen's TR7 is the washer for you. Another great thing about the TR7 is, after your manufacturer warranty is up, if you run into an issue, ApplianceVideo.com offers a complete video series on how to fix every functional component on this washer, and the rest of Speed Queen's appliances. Visit ApplianceVideo.com to watch these videos and more. And if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel down there, and I'll see you in the next one.